Dermoteen Whitening Cream Reviews. Pricing explained. What you get for your money. If you're considering a skin brightening solution, Dermoteen Whitening Cream is one product you might have seen, but most people get this wrong by expecting instant results or assuming all creams are the same. The surprising truth is that Dermoteen is priced based on active ingredients, potency, and packaging size, delivering targeted results when used consistently. A standard jar typically costs between and depending on the retailer or promotional offers. Some vendors provide multi-pack bundles, which can reduce the per unit cost to around. Shipping is usually domestic, with international shipping slightly higher. Returns are generally accepted within 14-30 days for unopened products, though opened items may be non-refundable. What you get: effective skin brightening ingredients, easy topical application, and occasional discounts when purchasing bundles. What you give up: immediate results. Visible changes can take 4-8 weeks depending on skin type and usage frequency. It's important to follow instructions and patch test for sensitivity before full application. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Determine your skin concerns and check ingredient compatibility. Step 2. Compare prices between single jars and bundles to see which offers the best deal. Step 3. Track promotions or seasonal discounts for extra savings. Step 4. Apply daily as directed and monitor results over several weeks. You won't believe what happens next if you skip consistent application. Results may be minimal, wasting both time and money. The surprising truth is that Dermoteen works best when paired with patience, proper skincare routine, and consistent use. In conclusion, Dermoteen Whitening Cream offers an affordable and effective option for those looking to brighten their skin. By understanding pricing, application requirements, and expected results, you can make a confident purchase that delivers real value for your money.